So I'm sure you saw the title of this video and of course the comments that just popped up on your screen before I started talking to you. But yes, I have been getting a lot of questions, especially in my last video where I showed the premiums, and I've been tracking the premiums going back months, doing that online spreadsheet. And a lot of people are asking me, why would anybody stack Silver Eagles right now? And so I thought I would answer that question and kind of give you my input, my thoughts on what's going on. I also, in this video, I'm going to share with you a really, really cool Silver Buffalo deal, so stay tuned for that. It's probably one of the best deals I've seen online in some time, but that's not what this video is about. I'll just share it at the end as a thank you for you guys watching. But you know, when it comes to Silver Eagles, I am basically in 100% agreement with those comments, and what I'm about to tell you is definitely held true. So I do have 2022 Silver Eagles, so it's very clear that I do buy them. That being said, I haven't actually bought any Silver Eagles, I want to say, going back since March. It may have even been late February since I added these Silver Eagles to my stack. I haven't bought any more. I have bought other stuff, and I made another video about this a few months back, talking about how I'm more interested in some of the semi-Numi stuff from other countries, for example, 1 ounce Silver Britannias, Maple Leafs, Cougarans, things like that. And the reason is these are still government issued silver. They're backed by those governments. You know, you have Great Britain, you have Canada, you have South Africa. I don't know if anyone cares about something being backed by South Africa, but my point is that these are actually government issued coins, just like the Silver Eagle is, except for the premiums on them aren't absolutely atrocious like Silver Eagles are. So looking at that spreadsheet, I mean, I was showing that the average price of Silver Eagles is like $15 an ounce for 2022, is a little bit cheaper. $15 over spot, I should say, for 2022 is a little bit cheaper for any dates. But that is an absolutely crazy number. And a lot of people have pointed out that the premiums are not going to change until we stop buying. And I agree, which is why I have stopped buying Silver Eagles. Now, I haven't stopped buying Silver Rounds, semi-Numis, things like that. Definitely like having this stuff. In fact, I just picked up this really cool, I love Looney Tunes, so Bugs Bunny's my jam, you know. But anyway, I definitely am not buying Silver Eagles right now, and I'm not recommending that people buy Silver Eagles right now because I personally think that the premiums are too high. And of course, you can look at the lady who just bought 900,000 Silver Eagles and be like, maybe we should buy some because she did, right? You know, that's a lot of money to put into Silver Eagles. I get it, but I'm going to tell you this. I assure you that she paid way less per ounce over spot than you and me will. Even if we bought a whole monster box, we're not going to get anywhere close to the premium that she got buying 900,000 at once. I assure you that a deal was cut to make that. All right, so now that that's out of the way, now that you guys know, I would not even be buying Silver Eagles right now, but I am still tracking them. I do want to tell you about a couple of things that I think is really cool. And I'm going to show you this comment. I'm going to pop it up on the screen. And this is from a commenter, a viewer. Thank you for watching, by the way. And guys, by the way, if you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to subscribe. We are on the road to 100,000 subscribers, and I definitely would appreciate your support. And it's free, so I definitely appreciate that. Make sure you hit that button. But anyway, from a subscriber, he said that I heard online that you can sell, or I heard there's an online retailer where you can sell your Silver Eagles for $9 an ounce over spot, and then you can actually use that money to buy other silver cheaper. And he's right. In fact, I'm going to pop this up on the screen. This isn't even from an online retailer. This is one of the local retailers that I've called in the past for my Cone Shop call videos. And this local retailer actually posts their buy and sell prices online. So this is really, really cool. And I want to show you, take a look at the first line here. So as you can see, when I took the screenshot, they had spot at 1908. And they were selling 1 ounce American Silver Eagles common gems for just buying for $27.33 over spot. They had 2022 American Silver Eagles gems at $28.33 over spot. That's what they were paying. And then by the way, if you're part of their club, you actually get 25 cents more per ounce, or if you sell them 100 ounces, you get that price anyway. So if you join their club, you actually get another quarter per ounce. But taking a look, let's do the math here, all right? So let's say you had a full tube of 2022 Silver Eagles and you took it into the shop and they were paying you $28.33 per coin. That would come up to $566.60 that you would get for your 2022 Silver Eagles. Now let's turn that into 1 ounce silver rounds. So if we look at the 999 1 ounce rounds, that's the fourth line down, they have them for $23.48 if you buy 20 or more. So if we divide 566.60 divided by $23.48, you would actually get 24 ounces of 1 ounce silver buffaloes for your 20 ounces of 1 ounce Silver Eagles. So I guess if you look at that, you could use the argument that, well, yes, you're paying more for Silver Eagles, but you get more back when you sell them. But let me ask you this question. Are the premiums always going to be $15 or so an ounce over spot? Well, actually, they're selling them for, it looks like $12.50 over. So they're actually selling them for $12.50 over spot. So they're actually lower than your online retailers. Oh, okay. You know, it's still a lot, right? But what happens when the premiums come back to normal? If premiums get down, I mean, the U.S. Mint still sells Silver Eagles to authorized purchasers for just $2.35 over. So if the demand goes down, the premiums are going to go down. And as a result, you're going to get less for your Silver Eagles than if you just had more silver. Another way to look at that, and I've pointed this out in another video as well, which actually still gets a lot of views and a lot of comments, is that let's say you are one of those, you know, the dollar's going to crash into oblivion. It's going to go to zero. I'm not saying I'm one of those people. I'm actually not one of those people. I do believe that the dollar is stronger than it, or is showing that it's stronger than it really is. And I do believe that silver is definitely undervalued. I personally believe it should be in the mid 30s or maybe even a little bit higher than that. But if you're one of those people that believe the dollar's going to crash into zero and we're going to be bartering with gold and silver, and gold and silver is going to be worth $1,000 an ounce or $100 an ounce or whatever it may be, what would you rather have? Would you rather have 20 Silver Eagles or 24 Silver Buffaloes? Because if silver was $100 an ounce, 24 Buffaloes, even just at spot, would be $2,400. Silver Eagles at spot would be $2,000. Even if that premium on those would have to be, let's see, 400 divided by 20. So the premium on those would have to be $20 over spot just to make up for that difference of $2,400 versus $2,000. And that's not including what, you know, premium you would actually have on the physical Silver Buffaloes either. That's just looking at raw spot versus $20 an ounce over spot just to make up the difference. So, you know, keep scaling that up to 40 or 60 or 80 or 100 Silver Eagles versus, you know, 120 silver rounds. The number keeps, the spread keeps getting farther apart. So maybe I need to do this. Maybe I need to take my Silver Eagles and just go get more silver with them. I don't know. Something to think about, huh? All right, guys, so I promised you, now that I have had my little chat with you, that I would show you one of the better online deals that I have seen in some time. So take a look at this. This is actually really cool. Now, this is a daily deal. I don't know if it will still be going by the time you see this. It is at least going today, so when I release this video, the date that it's released, this deal will still be going. I'll put the link in the description below. But this is from Gainesville Coins, and I was actually shown this deal by some other comments in that video, and I thought it was really good, so I'd love to share it with you guys as a thank you for watching this far into the video. Gainesville is actually selling 1 ounce Silver Buffaloes for just $2.49 over spot. That is a really, really good deal. Now, that price is, of course, if you send them a check or wire them the money. If you pay credit card, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's not even like a whole lot. It's like 76 cents more expensive per ounce. Going from bank wire or check to credit card. One thing you do have to consider is Gainesville does not offer free shipping. They actually say in their about shipping information on their page, because I looked into it to find out if they had free shipping. They say all these other dealers, they put a lot of effort into advertising that they have free shipping, but the reality is that they actually factor the shipping into the cost of the product. So you're still paying it, even if it says it's free. At $2.49 over spot for 1 ounce Silver Buffaloes, I can't say that I disagree with them. Because even if, let's say you bought 20 of these and the next closest retailer is, you know, $1 more, $3.50 over. So 20 times, you know, that's $20. If shipping is less than $20 from Gainesville for 20 Silver Buffaloes, and I'm sure it probably is, it's actually cheaper still to buy them from Gainesville, even if you pay the shipping. So anyway, thank you to my subscribers who pointed that out to me in the comments, and I'm glad I'm able to share this with you guys. So hopefully it's still going by the time you click the link. But other than that, guys, hey, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you being here. I appreciate you subscribing, and we will see you next time.